Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly to get Stremio on Roku TV. First, connect your Roku device to the QGV. Then go to the setting, then system, and now screen mirroring mode and select always allow. This way you will enable the screen mirroring option. Now install the Stremio and application from the device you want to use to stream to your Roku, for example a mobile phone. After that, connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network. Make sure both Roku and the streaming device must be on the same network. On your mobile device, check in Setting, Performance and Stability that you have the Run in the Background option active. Here, start the movie you want to watch, and at the bottom left, you will see the Cast option. Tap there and look for a Roku device in the list. Online movie streaming services. Once you've done that, you can watch your Stremio movie or series on Roku. Don't forget, to have a better experience, you should install the add-ons. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.